In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy and fun zigzag stitch to make baby blankets, shawls, and other wonderful projects. Check out the drop-down description box below for links to everything I'm using in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, now let's get started. For materials, I'm using a worsted weight yarn and an H 5.00mm crochet hook. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice, and then make a chain. Once you have completed your chain, single crochet into the second chain from hook and into each chain all the way down your work. Chain 3 and turn. In this pattern, the chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. You're going to double crochet into the third stitch, chain 1, and now make a puff stitch into the last stitch skipped. Skip one stitch, double crochet into your next stitch. Chain 1, and now make a puff stitch into the last stitch skipped. Now we're just going to repeat this all the way down our work. Once you get to the very end, double crochet into your last stitch. Chain 3 and turn. Skip your first double crochet and puff stitch from the previous row. Double crochet into that next space. Chain 1 and puff stitch into the skipped space. Now we're just going to repeat this all the way down our work. Once you come to the very end, double crochet into the top of your previous chain 3. From here, we can repeat row 2 until our work is as large as you like. I hope you enjoy working on this easy and fun zigzag stitch. Please be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Hit that like button, share this tutorial with your friends, and of course subscribe if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.